your hands and stamp your feet. Hit your heel and tap your toe. Rosie and Posie's Dance Adventure Show.
Hi, I'm Rosie.
And I'm Posie.
And welcome to our Dance Adventure Show,
where we travel
and learn dances from all over the world.
Let's ask Rosie Posie where we're going today. Where is he? Rosie Posie.
Oh. Hi, Rosie Posie.
Where are you taking us today? He says it's a big country.
Big country. Can you give us a clue?
That's Mulan.
Mulan? From China?
I can't wait to see her country.
I guess it's time to say the magic words together.
Okay.
Roly poly, holy moly, take us fast, don't go slowly. Wow, China is so beautiful.
Roly Poly brought us to a little village.
Let's say hello in Chinese.
Okay. 你好吗?
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 Do you want to know how to say dance in Chinese?
How?
跳舞.
跳舞.
Good job. Let's learn a Chinese
跳舞. Chinese fan dance. Before we begin, we need to know how to hold our fans. Make sure your thumbs are on one side and your four fingers on the other. There are 4 positions for the fan today. Up, down, facing in, and facing out. Now we are ready to dance.
Step number 1. Switch and flip. Turn your body to the side. Starting with your fans in the up position, lift one arm forward and one arm back. Now switch and flip your fans to the down position. Switch and flip. Switch and flip. Now let's try it with the steps. Up, down, up, down. Turn up, down, up, down.
Step number 2. Step and swish. Step to the right 2 times. Step together. Step together. Now 2 times to the left. Step together. Step together. Let's do the fans. Straighten your arms to the front and put your fans to the down position. Swish them to the right and swish them to the left. Swish right, swish left. Now let's do steps with the swish. Step and swish, step and swish, step and swish, step and swish.
Step number 3. Open and cross. Open your fans to the sides in the down position. As you flip them to the up position, cross your right hand in front of you and the left behind. Open them again to the side in the down position. This time, put the left hand in front and the right in back. Let's do it with little knee bounces. Open and cross. Open and cross. Open and cross. Open and cross.
Step number 4. Slide and butterfly. Slide to the side and open your arms with the fan in the down position. Then flip your fans to the up position and bring your hands together. Now make your butterfly flap its wings. Do it to the other side. Slide, flip, and hands together, and butterfly. Let's do it again. Slide 2, 3, 4. Butterfly 2, 3, 4. Slide 2, 3, 4. Butterfly 2, 3, 4.
Step number 5. Bow and turn. Step back into your left leg and open your fans out to the sides in the down position. Now step on your front leg and bring your hands over your head with your fans facing in. Bend your knees, turn around yourself, and fan. Let's try it again. Bow, arms up, bend, turn, and fan.
Step number 6. Switch and butterfly. Turn your body to the side, starting with your fans in the down position out in front of you. Lift one arm up and one arm down. Switch, switch. Beautiful. Now flip your fans to the out position and make your butterfly again. Let's do it all to the other side. Arm up, switch, switch, butterfly. Now add hops to our switches. 1, 2, 3, butterfly. 1, 2, 3, butterfly.
Step number 7. Out, in, and turn. Start with your fans in the up position over your chest. Now open the top fan out to the side and put it back on top of the other. Do it again. Out and in. Now fan yourself and turn around. Let's try it again. Out and in, out and in. Fan yourself and turn around.
Now, let's put it all together in a big Chinese 跳舞.
Lovely. I am in love with China.
So am I. Dancing with the fans was so tranquil and beautiful.
Well, I wonder where Rosie Posie will take us on our next adventure.
If you want to tell us where you want to go next time, find us on our Instagram. And don't forget to tag us in your adventure videos. We want to see you do your Chinese dance with your fans.
And now let's say goodbye in Chinese.
再见。